Sales. Love it or hate it, it's a core activity in human history. My name's Creel Hutchinson and welcome to my channel, where I help small business owners, entrepreneurs, network marketers, affiliate marketers, anyone in sales to claim their hero's journey to create success faster. To sell is to give or exchange something in return for money. But it is far more than that. At its core, it's about solving problems, creating value, and persuading a person to take action to find their own solutions. I have 20 years experience in sales, helping thousands of people, and in that time I've consumed tons of video, books, and courses. From that, I have found that there's 5 areas that every sales rep needs to work on in order to become a better sales rep. So let's dive into it. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get my weekly entrepreneurial tips. Also, the full article to this episode can be found on my blog, creelhutchinson.com. I'll leave a link in the description. What is selling? Selling is getting good at communication and understanding the art of persuasion. It's the exchange between two parties that can either be awkward and uncomfortable or friendly and professional. The skill of selling is the golden ticket in today's world. Now, no one's born a natural salesperson. Sure, you might have some personality characteristics that make you a little bit more outgoing and friendly, but like everything, it's something that needs to be learned, practiced, and developed as an art form. If you do that, then you can create the highest levels of financial success and career advancement. If you feel that selling is somehow below you or unethical or it's not for you, I suggest get over it. Because if you get good at selling, you can open so many doors in your world. A great book to check out is The Greatest Salesman in the World by Og Mandino. I'll leave a link in the description. If you're going to be in sales, then do it right. Before we get started and I show you the 5 areas to improve upon, you want to make sure you have this understanding. The more expensive the product is that you're selling, the more you're going to have to invest in all these areas. Whether it be what you dress like, how much time you put into the relationship, the questions that you need to ask, the longer the sales cycle. So just take that into account as we get started. Number 1, play the right character role. Selling for a salesperson starts before they meet the customer. It's about having proper attire, the right grooming, and the right mindset. You need to become the type of person people want to buy from. People want to be business partners with. So you need to be confident, energetic, show up on time, look sharp, and be able to respond to the needs of your customer. Now, if you don't 100% believe in the products and services that you represent, then I suggest finding something you're more passionate and excited about, because that incongruency is going to shine through in your sales process. Always assume the sale. People want to buy from you. You just need to make it easy. Number 2, be interested in the person you're helping. Selling is not about you. It's about the other person. And people will buy from people they know, like, and trust. So you need to build rapport and invest in the relationship before a sales action can happen. The easiest way to do this is to ask open-ended questions, which gets the person talking about their situation, what they're looking for, and their problems. Go several layers deep in asking these questions. You're basically gathering great intel here, looking for the golden nugget, which is the main critical pain or element that they need to solve in their life. Once you have this, this will be your main point of leverage in helping them find what they're looking for to take action in the sales process. I made an exclusive video for network marketers on the inviting formula, because generally you're speaking to your warm market, people you already know, to take a look at your opportunity. So check out the video I made here, and the link is in the description for the full article. Number 3, perfect the presentation. You need to have an outstanding knowledge of the company, the product, service, and the opportunity. If you don't, you're going to lose credibility. You want to tailor your presentation to the client's needs. That means talking about the benefits of your product that will help the person get what they're looking for, rather than getting caught up in all the facts. People buy on emotions first, and then they use the facts to back up their decision. Always do what you say you're going to do, and always follow up with the person after the presentation. Number 4, ask for the sale. It's simple. If you don't ask for it, it's not going to happen. Expect an objection along the way. I'm not going to cover it in this video, but in another video, I'll show you some really easy techniques to deal with the main objections. But for now, just realize you're going to need to create more value at this point. So deal with the objection professionally, sweeten the deal. In sales, we like to say, keep your powder dry. You're going to bring some extra element that hasn't been discussed onto the table to allow the person to get excited, remove the objection, and continue forward in this. Number 5, close the sale and use these magic words. Based on everything you've just told me, this sounds like the perfect fit for you. So tell me, what are you thinking? Are you ready to get started with us? Whatever you do, don't speak next. Let the person answer the question. They're either going to say yes or they're going to say no. If it's a no, deal with the objection. If it's a yes, move directly into doing the paperwork and closing the deal. No more stories, no more distractions. Follow through with exactly what you said and get it done. For me, sales is about creating a win-win situation. I have used this formula for great success while helping thousands of people to take action to solve their problems. Now, it doesn't happen overnight, but if you practice it, this formula will guarantee you will have better success in your sales process. Okay, there you have it, folks. Now you know the 5 areas in the sales sequence to focus on to become a better sales rep. Head over to my blog